All right, so one of the things I've decided I'm going to do in the process of messing with this exhaust system, I am going to have as many new parts, new fasteners on this project as I possibly can. So to that end, these are a couple of the bolts from the exhaust manifold that secure the exhaust manifold to the engine. Now, they're a 3/8 16th thread, but the length is oddball. So I finally get an opportunity to try out this new die set. So I'm going to thread another, I don't know, 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch onto these bolts and then cut them off. The only other thing I have to figure out yet is how I'm going to duplicate this guy here with the stud on the backside. This stud mounted the alternator bracket, as I recall, or one of the alternator brackets. So besides, I'm missing one of these bolts anyways. It's fallen out. So I'm going to have all new ones if I possibly can. So here goes nothing. Wish me luck. Might take me longer to put my dang gloves on than to do the job. Alright, I think that's going to be okay. Get this hand threaded down and then I'll start in with the handle. I can see this is going to be a hassle without the handle ratcheting right off the bat, so might have to do something different here, but we'll get started this way. I might have to go get a 9/16 ratchet and just hold the die in the vise. We'll see. First, let's see how hard this threads. I might have to adjust the tension on the die, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, it's already cutting. Is it really going to cut without me even have to use the handle? That would be crazy. It's already starting to get warm in the garage, so I'm just going to try this one, test it out, see if I like it. And then I'm going to call it a day, I think, until this evening. Wow, yeah. It already cut the threads. I can't believe I didn't even have to use the handle. That's insane. I definitely want to go a little bit deeper, but it was doing it. So, okay, let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and spin this on a little deeper off camera. I just wanted to show you guys I got the opportunity to finally use this new die set, so no sense in sticking around for any more of the rest of it. I'll keep you guys posted when I've got anything more interesting to show you.